Hi, everyone. I'm Smriti, and I am so excited to introduce all of you to Inari today. Inari is a sixth grader at GMS. She is many things. She is a skier, a writer, dramatist, avid reader, and now she's also a programmer and an app developer. It has been wonderful to mentor Inari, and we both grew and learned a lot together over this session. I'm really impressed and proud with all that she's accomplished. She came in with some scratch knowledge, and today she's going to show you a mobile application that she built. I can't imagine having done that as a sixth grader. I'm also super amazed with her dedication, curiosity, passion, and patience while we're working, something that I've learned from myself. I'm so happy that I could mentor you, Inari, and I'm happy that you got to find a way to channel your creativity into your project. With that, I'll let you take it away and show everyone.
Hi. I'm Inari, like Smriti said, and I just want to say thank you for everything you said. My mentor's name is Smriti, and she works at Google in New York, though right now she works in California due to COVID-19. She graduated from MIT, and at MIT, she studied music technology, AI, and computer systems, and she is a computer scientist. She grew up in California, and some of her hobbies include playing the piano, and while she was at MIT, she did Bollywood competitive dance, which sounds like a lot of fun. She was also a magic mentee in seventh grade, though I'm in sixth grade, and she went to GMS. My project's name is Fandomly. It is basically a social network for people to bond over fandoms. Fandoms are basically things that large groups of people enjoy. For example, Harry Potter, Star Wars, and Lord of the Rings. Like I said before, the purpose of this was for people to bond over interests. I chose for this to be a mobile app because I wanted to learn about app development. And it's also just a really great accomplishment to say, hey, I created a mobile app. So part of the learning process for creating my app was planning out what I wanted everything to look like. So to the right, you'll see a screenshot of a sketch I made of what I thought the profile page would look like. I did that for all of the pages I had in mind. I also went over this Swift book called Coding in Swift because the computer language I was using to create my app is Swift. I also worked on finding tutorials to find things that would help me achieve what I would want to achieve. For example, I searched for a tutorial to work on my login and sign up functionality. I also used a website called Canva to plan out all my images and icons. Some of the stuff we just finished or we're still working on is making a written post. So I just finished that, which is great. And we were also working on views to display those posts. I was doing all of this by using Xcode and, like I said before, tutorials. So some future plans I have for my project are displaying the posts on a view. So a scroll view is an enlarged version of a post, and a grid view is a smaller version which includes all the posts. I would also like to make all the rest of the make options. To the right, you'll see a sketch of all the make a page options I had in mind and also visuals. I also would like to add all the extra pages. So the For You page, the feed, the requests, and the search, and the notifications. So this is my app web. An app web basically shows the flow and the appearance of my app. So you'll start out with the home screen and you have the decision to log in or sign up. Depending on what you choose, it will take you to the profile. So if you press login, it will take you to the top view controller. If you press sign up, it will take you to the bottom. Once you're at the profile, you can create a post. So if you press the plus icon, it will take you to that bottom view controller. And you can type whatever you want and then you post it and it will take you back to your profile where it will be stored. So when you have a social network, there are users and you need to be able to store those users. So I had to download this thing called Firebase, which is user storage. The first screenshot you'll see is what I had to download so I could use it in my app. The screenshot below is me, my first user in Firebase. So when you're signing up or logging in, if you have something wrong, you're going to want an error so you can continue. So some of the errors I had to program were if the email address was badly formatted or invalid, if the password is incorrect, if the email address is already used, or the password isn't entered or it's too short. So this is my code I did for signing up. I did borrow it from a tutorial, but I commented each line so I could understand what everything is, and I modified it to fit everything that my app had. This is the login code. I borrowed it from the same tutorial, but like I said before, I commented it and I modified it. This is my make a page view controller. It shows the visuals and all the options that you could do. So there's a written post, a photo, a video, audio recording, test/form, and a poll post. So far, I've coded the written post, but I'm hoping to create the other ones. So this is my written post code. That's basically where you write it and it gets saved. And then the code next to it is my profile code, where it gets stored and formatted. Some highlights I have is being with my mentor. So just talking with her and learning about coding and computer science with Smriti. I also really enjoyed the creative parts of the app. So styling the icons and creating them, and also deciding how I would want the views to look like. Some lessons I've learned is about time management. So when I have to complete my tasks and making sure they're all done by the time we meet again, and also about using my resources. So searching for tutorials and finding websites and videos with information to help me do what I would like to do. Some challenges I had were sending reminders to Smriti for our next meeting, part of my homework. That was hard at first. And also planning meetings and finding meeting times. That was hard too. And also dealing with some Xcode bugs. There's this one bug where when you're signing up, you type in one character and then it says strong password and you have to relaunch the app to do it again. It's a little bit tedious. And now here's my demo. So we're at my simulator homepage and we are opening up Fandomly. So we have my home icon and we have the decision to log in or sign up. So I would like to sign up. I'm going to put my magic project email address. And then after I will type in any password. And then I will confirm that password. We're signed up, yay. If you look at the tab behind you, that is Firebase, my storage I was talking about earlier. And now I have 2 users. Before I only had 1, but now we have another. So let's go back, let's log in with that same information so I can show you what it's like to log in. So we'll put that same email address. And then we'll put a totally different password so I can show you an error. Oh no, the password isn't valid. I guess we're gonna have to retype it. So we're gonna retype and put the correct password. And now we are logged in. So this is the profile. And up at the top right corner, you should see a few text boxes. So you can put your username, but in this case, I'll just put my name with a smiley face, and put all the fandoms you like there. So maybe if you like Harry Potter, you could just put Harry Potter. And then later on, you could put anything else you want to say in the next text box. And now I would like to create a post. Like I said before, we've only coded the written post, but like my future plans are coding the other ones. So we're just gonna make a written post. All right, so this is my written post view controller, and I'm just gonna write, this is Fandomly. Yay. And now it is posted and it is stored in my profile and the little post-it note thing. And let's just create another one. And then, yay. And then I'll post it and it's stored in the other one. And right now we are at a grid view, so it's smaller squares. At the little tab bar, an option is scroll view. So if you press scroll view, it will take you to this. I haven't connected the 2 yet, so right now it is just a blank controller. But like I said before, that is a future plan as well, connecting them so it shows up. Thank you.